6, 7, 8. Hello everyone, welcome to African Drum Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you a new rhythm called Soli. Soli is from Ghana. It's a traditional drum created for celebration, but we're going to play it in modern ways. The first beat, which is the break, is double tone, to tone, to tone, to tone. It's like this. You got it? Now let's play together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's play it again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the pace to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's play it 4 times. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second beat is to tone, slap, bass, slap, to tone, slap, bass, slap. Now let's play it twice on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Now let's increase the pace to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's play it 4 times. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our lessons for today. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and also to hit the notification button so that next time you'll see our new videos. And please remember to share with your friends and families too. See you next time. Goodbye.